Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, exercise 1B, question number 9 is the diagram shows a right angle triangle with the side x centimeter and 2x plus 5 meter and 10 meter. Find the value of x. Leave your answer in the third form means in the root form. So now, if we have the right angle triangle, it means the one angle should be 90 degree. So this angle is 90 degree. We can use the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagorean theorem. By using Pythagorean theorem, we will solve this. Pythagorean theorem. So now the Pythagorean theorem is your hypotenuse square is equals to the adjacent square plus opposite square. So it means that the hypotenuse, which is the longer side, this is the hypotenuse, the longer side of the right angle triangle. Opposite means that is opposite to the hypotenuse. So this side is opposite to the hypotenuse. And the third side is called the adjacent side. So here the hypotenuse is 10, opposite is x, and adjacent is 2x plus 5. So let's substitute the values here in Pythagorean formula by substituting hypotenuse equals to 10, then opposite equals to x, and then adjacent equals to 2x plus 5. Instead of the small letters, you can use the capital letters also. So now it would be the 10 square equals to x square plus adjacent. You can write adjacent first, or you can write the opposite first. It doesn't affect on the method, so on the solution. Now here adjacent is 2x plus 5 whole square plus x whole square. So then we have to expand the bracket. Expand the bracket means it's a 2x plus 5. So it means that here we will use the algebraic formula, which is a plus b whole square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. This algebraic formula we will use here. The 10 of the square of the 10 would be equals to 100 equals. Now what is the a? A is 2x and b is 5. So we will write here the 2x whole square plus 5 square and plus 2ab. A is 2x again and b is 5. Then also we will write the plus x square. Actually we need to get a quadratic equation. So here it makes 100 we will keep same once again, and then it's equals to 2 square would be the 4 x square and 25, then plus 2 times 2 is 4x, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 5 is 20. So 20x plus x square. Now here we will combine the like terms. The like term, these two are the likes, and then also the constant terms we will combine. So first of all we will shift the 100 on the other side, so it would be negative 100. So we will get the 4x plus x, which is the 5x square. Then plus 20x will keep same because there is no other value with the x. Now shift the 100 on the other side, it would be minus 100 plus 25 plus 25 equals to 0 now. Here 5x square again we will keep same, and plus 20x also we will keep same, then minus 100 plus 20, it would be minus 75 equals to 0. Now as we know that we can further simplify, because 5 is common. 5 times 4 is 20, 5 times 15 is 75. So now we are going to divide the whole equation by 4. Divide by 5. By dividing 5, we will get here the equation 5x square over 5, then plus 20x over 5, then minus 75 over 5 equals to 0. And we will get here the equation, the final equation. 5 and 5 will cancel out, so only x squared is left, plus 20 over 5, which is 4x, minus 15 equals to 0. So we got a quadratic equation. Now we will simplify this quadratic equation by using the completing square method. Completing square method. So completing square method has the formula. We will use the formula here, which is x plus b by 2 whole square and minus b by 2 whole square. So to simplify by using completing square method, first of all, we have to shift the constant value on the other side of equal, so it becomes plus 15. Now, at the first and the middle term of quadratic equation, this is the first term and the middle term, we can only apply the completing square method on the first and the middle term of quadratic equation, not on the constant. So here x we will keep same. What is the b by 2? B is the coefficient of x. It means that the b by 2 would be equals to 4 over 2, which is 2. So we will just substitute in this formula the b by 2 value on the left side of the equal. On the first and the second term, means the middle term and the first term, we will just on these two terms apply completing square formula. So here x always we will keep same. B by 2 is the 2 square, then minus again it's a b by 2. So we will write the 2 square equals to 15. So x plus 2 whole square we will keep same, minus 4 equals to 15. Then again here we have to shift the constant value on the other side of equal, so it would be 15 plus 4, 19. Now we need to get the value of x, because we are solving quadratic equation, so it means as already given in the question, find the value of x. So to find the value of x, we need to remove the square. So we will take the root on both sides, and with constant we will use the plus minus when taking the root on both sides. Taking root on both sides. So we must have to add the plus minus sign. Square and the root will cancel out. So here what is left? X plus 2 equals to plus minus 19, because we don't have the root of the 19, the exact value. Then we will shift the x on the other side, so it would be we will shift the constant value on the other side, it becomes minus 2. and plus minus the root 19. When you are replacing positive value on one side of equal to other side, so positive sign will change into negative, same negative will change into positive, and multiplication into division, division into multiplication. So this was our required form. We got the value of the x, which is minus 2 plus 19 plus root 19 and minus 2 minus root 19. You can write down separately or you can write same as this. So here we got the two values when, so length must be positive. We are solving the length of the triangle, so length must should be the positive. It means that the negative value here we will ignore. So the x value equals to minus 2 minus 19, we will ignore or we will detect this because the length can't be negative. So this is not possible. For the given length of the triangle, we will take only one answer, which is minus 2 plus 19. Instead of this, you can also write down the root 19 minus 2. This is possible and this is the valid solution for the given question. The Here we got the two roots, minus 2 plus minus root 19, but we will neglect the negative value there because the length always should be positive, it must be positive. So we will only take the positive answer, minus 2 plus 19 or root 19 minus 2.